last day on Santorini. We're heading to Fira to take a sailing boat or something like that to the small island in the middle, like the volcano. We're gonna discover the volcano today. So we arrived in Fira, walking now to our boat.
Why must I?
So so Amy decided to take one of those donkeys.
Why must I?
Yeah, we made it to the boat. So we arrived on the volcanic island. Look at those massive rocks. They look very different to all the rocks we saw on the island. Very sharp and like bits and pieces. These are the hot springs, so the sulfide comes out of the rocks. That's why the water you see is really brown or brown. Over there it's cold, over there it's warm. So this was our trip with Caldera Boat Tours. I definitely give it a thumbs up for the 3-hour journey to the island. It's just 20 euros. The crew was really friendly. They even let me fly my drone on the boat and even on the island. Just amazing. Thank you guys again. So time for a coffee break. In about 2 hours time we will head back to the airport to give back the car, and then we gonna fly back home. I think this is the end of the vlog. I don't know what else I could show. So if you like my video, please give me a like, and if you want to see more of my videos, please hit the subscribe button. See you next time. Goodbye.